Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Ifeoma. In today's tutorial, we'll be making this gown that you are seeing on my screen. If it is something that you are interested in, stay tuned. Let's get started. Here I have about 1.5 yards of this Ankara print. Shining bias is of two types. There is one of velvet bias, but this one is shining bias, and I have my zip here. Let's get into it. If you want to make this kind of gown, you need like 2 yards of Ankara, depending on the size of your body. So now I've fold my Ankara into 4. I'm cutting the front and the back as well. The first thing I will do is for me to mark my shoulders divided by 2. I will mark it here. Then the sleeve, I'll cut the sleeve together. The sleeve I want is about 8 inches, but I'll still add up because this will not be enough. It's about 4 inches here. For the neck, I'm using 3 by 1.5 for the back, and 7 inches for the front, or let me make it 6.5 by time. After that, I'll mark 1 inch at this edge. I'll mark 1 inch here for shoulder slope. I'll connect it to this line. I'll take the armhole measurement. I'm using 10. So from this shoulder side, I'll mark the nipple from shoulders to the nipple. I'll mark it here. The waist, from shoulder to the waist, I'll mark it here. And the hip, I'm using 25 for the hip. Then I'll connect all the lines together. Bust divided by 4. I'll start measuring from this 1 inch here, plus extra 1.5 inch. Then the waist divided by 4.5. I'll mark it here, plus extra 1.5 inch here. Then the hip divided by 4, plus extra 1.5 inch. I'll use the whole of this way. Adding some here, so I'll cut it like this. Then when I add, I will trim out some. It will not be straight like this, so I will cut now. I will do the back to the front. So I'll cut this. So guys, actually I made a mistake here. I didn't mark the 1 inches from this starting point. I started from this neck line, so I'm supposed to start from here on 1 inches. So I've already marked it. I brought out these pieces that I've cut out. I've already marked it now, and from there I will take the neck width. The neck width that I'm working with is 3. I'll mark the 3 here. I'm just marking the front. I'll use this one to correct the back. Then I'll mark the 6.5 inches that I want for the front. I'll mark it here, 6.5. Then I'll connect it. So I'll cut this one out now. If you don't understand, you can watch it again so that you understand what I mean. So for this sleeve, I've added extra materials on it. So now I'll cut out my sleeve like so. And another thing that I not mark is the pocket. I'll mark from the shoulder to 17 inches. That will be for my pocket. And I'll mark 7 inches. I'll just notch this side. This is where I'll put the pocket. I will open this front now. So on this down part, I leave about 5 inches for the opening on the front, for the slit on the front. So I'll go ahead to my sewing machine now. I'll just fold this in. I'll do it to the end of the cloth. So guys, I've already hemmed this middle inside and the downside, the 5 inches that I left. See how I fold it inside. And this is the front here. The next thing I will do now, I'll use my bias to turn the neck inside. I will do the same on the back too. With the bias that I used to turn it, I don't have black here, so I use yellow. There is yellow on the fabric. So the next thing I will do now is for me to, I have about 3 years of this shining bias here with me. I start from the shoulders. I'll sew it, reaching on this V side. You can fold it a little so that it will blend on it. Then I'll stitch it down to the end of the gown. I'll cut it and still do the same on this side. Let me just do that and bring it. I'm done stitching sewing this bias on it. And this is the down side. There's opening on the down side. This is what the back is. Very neat. And I'm gonna head to fix the pocket on the two sides. For the back, I've fixed the zip on the back. So the next thing on my list now is for me to put the front and the back together and sew it. I'll put this front and the back, the two shoulders together like this, and I'll stitch it. I will do the same on the other side. So after doing that, I'll use 1 inch to stitch side, the two side, I'll use 1 inches to do that. I'll use 1 inch to stitch this side, then I will place the two shoulders like this, then I will sew it. Guys, I'm finished joining the two sides of the gown, and I've hemmed the sleeve. This is the back. The back don't have any slits on the back. It's the front. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.